Welcome to the branding module, one of the two main parts of this masterclass. In this module, you will learn how to define the brand vibe together with your client to make sure you and your client are always on the same page, no matter what. You will learn everything you need to know about logo design, what a successful logo really needs, and how to accomplish that. You will also see examples from real projects. You will learn how to present logo drafts to a client and find out how you can present a rough branding to your client before it is even finished. We will dive deep into color psychology, color combinations, typography, and what to consider when choosing fonts. In addition to that, you will learn how to create and perfectly utilize specific design elements that will run through your client's branding from A to Z on every single communication touchpoint, so you make sure to hold the entire brand together. Then I will show you our secrets in terms of sizing, structure, and grids in a branding. To top it off, I will walk you through a solid and professional design documentation that you and your client will never want to miss again. Let's start.